everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Thank you for all your votes. I've been selected for 20 Under 20 YONO SBI Youth Icon of 2019. So thank you everyone. On February 4th, I'll be going to collect the Youth Icon Award in Bangalore. Plus, I'll be doing many videos from there. So stay tuned in. Today I'm going to make sticky toffee pudding in a mug using microwave. Let's get started. First, in a mug, add chopped cut dates. I'm using about 12. It depends because I'm using a big mug. It should cover about half of the mug. Next, I'll be adding hot water. Next, I'll be adding baking soda. And mix. Now microwave it for 1 minute. My power of my microwave is 900 watts. The time may vary of the power of your microwave. Oh, I never knew 1 minute could make so much of a difference. Okay, now we have microwave it for 1 minute. Next, add butter. Stir until it's melted. The butter is completely melted. Next, add slightly beaten eggs. Next, let's add the remaining ingredients. Flour, brown sugar, vanilla essence, salt, and baking powder. Mix. Now microwave it for 1 minute 30 seconds. Again, the time will vary on the power of your microwave. Mine is 900 watts. Let's open it. Put it in. Close. 1 minute 30 seconds. 5 more seconds for it to be complete. Wow, it has come. It smells lovely. Let's wait for it to cool down and let's clean this up. And a yummy sticky toffee pudding in a mug is ready. Taste time. I'm going to drizzle over it some homemade caramel syrup. Let's do it. Let's now dig in. Yes! This is super yummy. Super yummy. So yummy. So do try this at home. It's simple and yummy. And tell me in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye! Mwah.